Oh, hello. Jet, say hello.
Hello.
Hi. We want to share something with you today.
Yeah.
What do we want to share with them, Jet?
Oranges.
Yes, oranges. So oranges and citrus fruits are our favorite fruits here in my family. And
Jet.
it's your favorite fruit? Yes, it's our favorite fruit, and we have some here. We got it from my
Yep, and we got some flowers and some butterflies.
Yes, we got it from my my great grandparents' house in Comfort Hall,
Test.
Manchester.
I want to taste test.
Okay, Auntie, you want to peel oranges with us?
Me too. I want to peel an orange. Mommy.
Well, peeling oranges are for adults, but you can eat the oranges.
Yeah, taste test. We'll taste.
So, as you know, the oranges in America are usually yellow or very orangey like these. But the oranges here, right, Auntie Melanie,
Yes.
usually looks like this.
This is the real Jamaican orange. Very tasty and sweet.
Yes.
Yep, and we got some flowers.
What this knife don't have any use?
And then I will do a grapefruit in the meantime. So these are the grapefruits.
Yeah,
I usually-
grapefruit.
I usually don't see them much yellower than this. They're white on the inside. It's white
There was
grapefruits,
some boots.
but it's still very
some
sweet.
trees didn't fall off.
No, very sour, guys.
Yeah.
This is,
Yeah,
we
but-
have two
but
types
guys
of
cut
oranges.
them
This is
off
alternate.
the tree.
And
So my aunt says there's two types of oranges. That's
this one
artinic.
is possum brown.
Uh-huh. So that's two types of oranges.
Alternate
Mom,
and possum
wait.
brown.
Yes, and
Now, what's
these are all
this?
from my grandparents' yard, like I told you.
This? What's this one called?
Grapefruit.
Ah!
And this.
Wait! Jet! He's there!
He's
Whoa!
over there from this.
Yep, and you want some to water. And you want some to water.
Let's
like
say
that.
something.
Time for a taste test.
Say something.
Guys, I'm
Here's
gonna do a
Melanie.
taste
Here's the
test.
grapefruit.
I'm gonna do a taste test, guys.
They
Watch.
can't see you, sweetie. You have to come over closer. Come over closer.
They can see me.
It's like good. It's
Yeah.
good. Taste it.
Mmm. You want to cut yours too? Auntie's going to peel it for you, okay? So basically we eat it like this. Like it's kind of like a cup. So as you're biting into it, you squeeze it and then you suck up the juice.
You bite it like.
Mmm.
Mommy.
Come over here, Jet, so they can see.
Mom, it's orange juice.
Mm-hmm. We actually prefer this rather than juicing it.
Oh.
Yeah.
No,
And you
I
get the
prefer
real vitamin
juice.
C from these
You prefer the
orange.
juice? Hmm? What do you do?
Block the face.
Mmm.
That's how we get the real vitamin C
Then the seeds,
from these oranges.
we can spit out,
Right there.
and you can oh, that's so sweet. He's kissing you, and you can save them, wash them and save them, and then dry them and plant them, or you can just
Yep,
toss
I
them,
just see it in my mouth.
Mommy.
and then you'll be lucky if a tree grows.
And you can also
Oh,
dry
where's-
the orange
where's
peel
reading?
and make tea.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy.
Hmm?
The seeds all over.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, I'm done with this. What do I do?
You're not done with that, sweetie.
Yes, I
I'm
am.
gonna show you how to really eat an orange, okay? So we're gonna do this.
No!
Keep going. Keep going. Squeeze it. Remember, squeeze the bottom.
Whoa.
And there are a lot of seeds in these fruits. I was surprised how much seeds.
Oh, tasty.
So growing up, what I used to do after I finished
Hey.
sucking out all the juice,
Yep, and the orange.
I would just turn it inside out like this. Turn it inside out like this.
And I can do like that.
Oh!
And then you can peel the rind out. Or
Then
peel the
then
inside of the
can't
orange pegs
squish
out.
it.
Okay? Let me show you. I would just go.
Yep, then you do it.
Mm.
Then you're done.
Yeah.
That's good.
I want another orange.
You want to taste the grapefruit?
Yeah, I want grapefruit.
Oh! Wait, where's the orange?
Sweeties, can you please stop throwing the oranges in the jar?
Give you the orange.
We're not in country, okay? Where we can just throw them out so they can grow.
This here.
This is
What is this orange?
town.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, orange. Wait.
You want to try the grapefruit?
Grapefruit. I want
Hey,
So this is the grapefruit.
I want a grapefruit. I want a grapefruit. Take me this. Give me this.
Orange right here.
I got a grapefruit.
Mm.
Yeah,
That's
say hi. If you look behind you.
Hey, I'll see you right on the camera.
Where the camera?
The camera give way.
Yes, we've dedicated Sundays to be our fruit day.
Don't do
Yeah,
that.
Sundays. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Stop cheating. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, we have to show. Now she have to show Grandpa how to do it. I don't think he knows how to do it.
I don't know.
You're supposed to,
What don't
You
do
know this stuff?
you're supposed to say rock, paper, scissors, shoot, and then you have to use paper, rock, or scissors.
Orange here.
If I
Uh-oh.
use rock and you use scissors, I use paper and you use rock, I win.
Come let's play you.
No, me
We'll
and
do
you.
rock, paper, scissors.
Rock. And if you use scissors and I use paper, you win.
Ooh, come again. Rock.
Me and you. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I didn't say use blaster.
You gotta show. We gotta say that, Grandpa. You gotta use rock. You gotta use paper. Or you gotta use scissors.
So which one is paper? This?
And this is the scissors.
This is scissors. So, rock, paper, scissors. Hey! It's a tie, it's a tie, it's a tie. We have to start over. Rock, paper, rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
One scissor.
Alright! Yeah! You did go get it!
Alright, you good.
Go and get it.
Jet, can you go get the oranges for me out the refrigerator in the bottom, please?
I'm gonna get it! I'm gonna
Get
get it!
two. No, now we want to go get
Put
two.
them. That's gone now.
So we're going to flip on that.
They're going home.
Huh?
Boy, I'm not like say I have.
He just sprained his toe.
How many of them you have?
How
How many you have, Nesta?
Yep, no.
How many of them you have, Nesta? 3?
About 5.
Rock,
Yes, sir.
paper. Let's
Tell
go.
Yeah.
Come, hey, dude. Oh, they're gone. Let's do
Let's
it.
do rock, paper, scissors. Let's go do rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Come. Quick. Look, Grandpa's ready.
Hello!
Oh.
Hello!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Alright! Here it is. What? Go! Hey, what about me? Hey!
Try that one, Nash.
Now
Can't
you
see your
run
belly
where?
full.
Mellow, you run where?
Run away, Nesta. Run away.
Ah, sour!
Not sour?
I like this. I like sour ones too.
I like the sour one.
I hate
No, too.
I hate this one.
Guys, mommy's a crazy person. I like. This is how you usually do it. This is how you do it, crazy.
Mm.
That's a good crazy.
Oh, sorry, but no, don't give me more time. You have fever.
Ooh.
Andrew, come on, sit when the man Nash goes here.
No. I didn't leave the house.
In the street.
Oh. Shit, the orange is running down my back. Daddy, come get an orange.
Mommy, apple.
And come in the video live.
No. Shit. Stop it. Stop it. Don't do that to somebody. We're going to sleep.
Actually, look this one. Look this one.
Come in the video light.
Yeah, come in the video like.
Video like.
You can say hi to them.
I video like.
This man don't want any orange, he just beating a Guinness.
Dodge it.
Anyway, come over a little bit closer. Let me help you.
Ah, you're stepping on the oranges.
Grandpa's good at catching things.
Grandpa.
Yeah.
No, he's not. No, he's not.
Grandpa going home.
Yeah. I really want to tag him again. Any minute I will put one on the phone. If you don't do it,
No.
minute.
Oh, the lemon
Where
lime.
I take them?
No. No, this.
All things.
No, they're orange too.
Oh, orange.
They're just small.
Look like a neighbor fruit is a water.
My stomach full.
I tried them, Kevin.
Wow. Nash, the one that's sweet.
Give me one.
Give me one.
No!
Go wash it off.
No, I'm only getting one for myself, never for you.
Pick it up, Nash. I want to get it. Give it to me.
Dovey and bite
You
it
don't want to
down.
wash out.
I
The water
just
in
want to
that-
wash it off.
Use the water in that glass.
Ah!
Nash, come back there. I can't
Squeeze it
see you in
up.
the camera. In the camera.
Squeeze it. Want it loose?
Ooh. But do you see how the what they call it? Like the commercial ones taste different than the backyard one? Like it's sweet, but it
It's
don't
sweet.
have no tanginess to it.
You don't have no good for rhyme.
This even the orange.
Yeah, put up this bed.
Mommy!
Yeah?
Everybody have to go sleep in a purpose today.
I know.
Yeah, put a ring all night and morning.
Sundays are fruit eating day.
Wait, Mom.
Yeah?
I declare every day should be Sundays.
Really? Every
Hey!
Every day should have be Sunday.
Yeah, so I can eat fruit every day.
Ooh. Yeah. Jet. Hi Donna. We just here to chill out and eat some orange and grapefruit.
I know, I'm dancing here. I'm dancing here. Hey! Hey! This is my zone!
This is just
Get out of here, Nesta! Oh, shit!
what did you just say?
Yeah.
It was an accident.
Gentle with the baby. So this is, we have a significantly less amount of oranges.
20 oranges.
We ate about 20.
About 6 grapes.
I also, yes, and about 6 grapefruits. My kids have a habit of throwing the oranges around the yard because usually in the countryside that's what we do because, you know, they
Rough him up, man.
become a part of the soil.
Get it.
But here